Hi, my name is Joe, and I'm a patient of Dr. Smith's. And if you're watching my testimonial, it means you're considering Dr. Smith to assist you with your physical therapy needs, or you're looking to have him assist you with alleviating pains, aches, or ailments that you might be having, or maybe you find yourself in a similar situation as to which I was in when I started working with Dr. Smith. At that time when I first started working with Dr. Smith, I was having undiagnosed joint pain, extreme fatigue, headaches, hypertension, and I was just in a place where I was not getting a medical diagnosis as to what was going on with my condition. I spent the better half of a year prior to working with Dr. Smith going between doctors, having multitude of different medical assessments and tests done, everything from MRIs with orthopedics to blood draws with the rheumatologist to even having spinal taps done, all coming back with no definitive diagnosis as to what was going on with me that year. And when I first started working with Dr. Smith, I was absolutely broken. I didn't know what to think anymore, but I knew that I had to make a change for myself. And my wife actually was working with Dr. Smith a few months prior to me coming in as a new patient with him, and he had absolutely helped alleviate a lot of hip pain that she was having as well as TMJ issues. And when I first walked into Dr. Smith's office, our first session, the most impressive aspect of Dr. Smith is that he absolutely listened to me. He listened to my conditions. He did a thorough assessment. And the one thing that really impressed me about him is he asked me, where do you want to be, or what's the end result that you're looking for? And I thought that was huge, because it wasn't just, hey, I want to be able to get up every day and not have joint pain. It was, I want to run a 5K. I want to be more adventurous, be able to hike up on Granite Peak. I want to start skiing. I want to start canoeing, whatever it may be. I gave him that end result of where I want to be, and he put a care plan together to get me to that point, and he kept me involved in every step of that process. Not only did his sessions work, and almost immediately, within 2 or 3 sessions, I already started getting relief that pharmaceuticals were not doing for me. The only thing, pharmaceuticals were doing for me at that point was controlling pain, but it was making me lazy. I was gaining weight. I wasn't as productive at work. I wasn't as productive as a father with my 2 young children. And Dr. Smith, there's no pharmaceuticals. It's getting your body in tune with itself. It's about you taking care of yourself and giving you the tools, the stretches, the information to make that change for yourself. And I'll tell you what, it's the only thing that has worked for me out of this whole situation. I drive for a living. I'm on the road about 4 to 5 days a week. The days that I'm not driving, I'm behind the computer for 8 to 10 hours. I've utilized Dr. Smith's adjustable chair support device. I put it in my vehicle. I put it in my office chair. And that's another aspect that's helped me. It's helped reduce that aches and pains in the lower back and the lower lumbar area, those neck pains that I get, from being hunched over the computer all day. It's just another entity that helped me with my daily tasks to make sure that I feel good. Since I started working with Dr. Smith, I have lost a considerable amount of weight because I've been more active. My joint pain is non-existent, and I do not take any medication, not even over-the-counter ibuprofen or Tylenol. My headaches have subsided. My hypertension has gone away. Most importantly, those aspects, or that plan that we put together from session 1, such as being able to run a 5K, I not only met that, but I exceeded it. Last year I ran 7 5Ks, actually medaling in one of them and having a PR since college. Dr. Smith has done such incredible things with me, and not only has he done great things for me, my wife, but I've actually ran some of those 5Ks with Dr. Smith. He's he's just absolutely involved in the community as well. He's involved with you as a patient. He really just wants to make sure that he helps you get to where you want to be. So if you're watching this testimonial, you're on the fence, you're not sure, you really owe it to yourself to give Dr. Smith a chance. Take it from me, I really had no idea what to expect walking into it. I was really broken. I had no idea if I ever really would feel this good again. And, you know, all the doctors before Dr. Smith really didn't give me a lot of hope. But Dr. Smith gave me hope from session 1, and within a year, like I said, I've just absolutely dramatically improved. And really, please give the guy a try. I know you won't regret it, and hopefully you'll be making a testimonial in a year talking about how much relief you have from your symptoms today.